Hello and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Clearing cache can help free up space and improve the app's performance. So let's get started step by step and make your app run smoother. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, look for the option labeled Clear Cache within the Settings menu. Once you find it, tap on Clear Cache. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap OK to confirm. Finally, the cache will be cleared, and you should notice improved performance. That's all there is to it. Clearing the cache regularly can help keep Google Drive running smoothly on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips.